Hey guys, it's James. We got a tractor. Actually, we got 3 tractors. We got this Ford 1320. We got this Massey Ferguson over here. This Mahindra. And none of them work fully. This one has ignition issues and it has no brakes. That one leaks terribly. And on this one, we have not been able to get the PTO to work. So I've looked online trying to get that clutch turning, and I was unable to do so. There's lots of kill switches. There can be one under the seat. There can be this one here. Over here on this side, there's a switch right here. This is PTO. You can go auto or manual. In addition, you can also put the PTO either at 1,000 RPMs or 540, and you can also have it in neutral. And all of those issues can cause, if they're not done fixed or in the right sequence, can all cause the PTO not to turn. But none of those were our issue. So I looked on the forums, I looked around and tried everything that I could think of to get it done. I figured it was something to do with the wiring, but this light was coming on, which was indicative that it, the electrical was working. So I thought maybe it was this switch over here on this side, the PTO switch. But it wasn't, so I kept looking around on the forums. Someone said that there was a switch under the seat that needed to be depressed, so I took the entire seat apart, looked inside there trying to figure it out. Also was having issues, and that was stuck, so I fixed that. But I just wanted to show you where it was. So if you have a Mahindra 4110, or I imagine similar models have something similar, over here on this side of the tractor, right above the oil filter, if you look down here, there's this wire on mine, and this wire is connected to that PTO. I think it's this solenoid. So right here, there is a plunger. And all I did to fix it was press the plunger in. It didn't take a lot of force, but that was the issue that I was having. And I was even considering taking it in to get it fixed because I couldn't figure it out. But you can see, oh, maybe. Come on. Right there. See that right there? Anyway, there's a little nipple on the end of it right there. So you just press that in very conveniently and it will work. So anyway, tractor now works completely. Mostly, all the main things work. So that's how to fix a Mahindra 4110 tractor.